For the first time ever, an inland impacts guide has been published to help you stay safe during hurricane season. That's because catastrophic rain events like this deadly flooding from 2018 can happen right here at home. And today, meteorologist Chris Michaels spoke to emergency leaders about why Southwest Virginia is especially vulnerable.
It only takes one storm to devastate a community.
FEMA Deputy Administrator Eric Hooks echoes a sentiment felt by many during hurricane season. All it takes is one. From mountains to ocean, Virginia knows that very well.
Hurricanes and the flooding caused by the remnants of hurricanes is a statewide problem.
National Weather Service Director Ken Graham says it doesn't matter if a storm is named. It has to go somewhere.
Biggest threat in almost cases inland, it's going to be water. In this area here, Roanoke and many portions of Virginia, the terrain matters.
Recent instances like Tropical Storm Michael show how these kinds of storms can prove deadly, even for those of us hundreds of miles away from the coast. The unfortunate reality is this kind of deadly flooding is happening more, as we saw this past week in states as far north as New York and Vermont.
It's harder and harder to use your personal history to compare storms. We have record ocean temperatures. We've got record rainfall rates. We're breaking record heat records. There's records.
10 News asked Graham to elaborate. Why is it that these events are becoming more frequent? He tells us the atmosphere is becoming a big wet towel.
The rates and the amounts are higher. And what that means is some of the impacts on the ground, the flash flooding, we're seeing some of those events become more frequent.
So while the message isn't to scare those in any storm's path, it's to prepare you ahead of time.
It's much better to be ready for your worst day now than to be in your worst day wishing you had been ready.
10 News Weather Authority will keep you ready ahead of the storm, issuing Weather Authority alert days when we feel the weather will become potentially dangerous. In studio, I'm Chris Michaels, 10 News, working for you.